Do you ever find yourself wishing you had more money? That your bank account was overflowing with abundance? Well, what if I told you there's a way to attract a large amount of money using just your senses? That's right. Today we're going to explore the powerful teachings of Neville Goddard and uncover the secrets to manifesting wealth. Imagine this. You have the power to create your own financial destiny. It's not about luck or chance, but rather about harnessing the incredible capabilities of your senses. According to Neville Goddard, a renowned teacher of the law of attraction, manifesting money is all about shaping your inner reality to align with your desires. You see, every thought you have, every image you visualize, is a seed that has the potential to grow into a bountiful harvest. By using your imagination and senses, you can plant the seeds of wealth in your mind and watch them flourish in your reality. But how do you do it? Well, Neville Goddard teaches us that the key lies in assuming the feeling of already having the money you desire. It's about immersing yourself in the experience of wealth before it even manifests physically. You must see yourself living in that luxurious house, feeling the crispness of those dollar bills in your hand, hearing the satisfying sound of coins jingling in your pocket. By vividly imagining and embodying these sensations, you send a powerful message to the universe that you are ready to receive abundance. So, my friend, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you're ready to break free from the shackles of scarcity, then it's time to awaken your senses and manifest a life of opulence. Stay tuned till the end of video, as you don't want to miss out any valuable input in your manifestation journey. But before we dive into the depths of these life-changing videos, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Trust me, you won't want to miss any of our future content. Let's begin. In the pursuit of wealth and abundance, many individuals have explored various manifestation techniques. Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the realm of manifestation, introduced a unique approach that incorporates the sense of smell into the manifestation process. Neville Goddard believed that our senses play a crucial role in the manifestation process. He emphasized the need to engage not just our visual imagination, but also the other senses, including the sense of smell. By incorporating the sense of smell, we can strengthen the manifestation and bring it into our reality more effectively. It possesses the ability to evoke emotions, bring back memories, and create a sensory experience unlike any other. The first step in utilizing the sense of smell in your manifestation practice is to select the right scent. Choose a fragrance that resonates with your desired manifestation. For example, if you are manifesting abundance, you might select a scent that represents prosperity and success, such as sandalwood or cinnamon. You can directly choose to smell the money. Yes, you heard that right. The next step is to create a relaxing environment where you can fully immerse yourself in the visualization process. Find a quiet space where you can be alone and undisturbed. Light a scented candle, use essential oils, or burn incense to fill the air with your chosen fragrance. Now, close your eyes and take a deep breath, inhaling the fragrance deeply. As you do so, let the scent transport you to the reality of your manifestation. Visualize yourself experiencing your desired outcome, engaging all your senses. Imagine how the scent complements the scene and intensifies the emotions associated with your manifestation. Repetition and consistency are key to the success of this technique. Incorporate the scent into your visualization practice regularly. The more you repeat this process, the stronger the association between the scent and your desired manifestation becomes. Now you might wonder, why is the sense of smell so powerful in the manifestation process? Well, our sense of smell acts as an anchor. It helps us connect deeply with our desires and reinforces the belief that our manifestations are already a part of our reality. The scent becomes a trigger, signaling our subconscious mind to align with our desires. Through repetitive practice over weeks, the brain forms new neural pathways, rewiring its cognitive patterns and encouraging a positive outlook on financial abundance. This gradual, transformative change in our financial mindset becomes ingrained in our subconscious, facilitating the manifestation of wealth in our lives. Combining multiple senses ensures that the manifestation process encompasses all dimensions of our being, mind, body, and spirit. While the sense of smell is one dimension that Neville mentions, he also emphasizes the importance of engaging all of our senses to make our visualizations more vivid and effective. In Neville's teachings, he encourages individuals to create mental scenes that imply they have already achieved their desired outcome. These scenes should be as realistic and detailed as possible, involving not just visual imagery, but also sounds, textures, and even tastes. By engaging multiple senses in our visualizations, we allow our minds to fully immerse in the experience and create a stronger connection to our desires. For example, if someone is visualizing themselves in a luxurious beach resort, they can imagine the warmth of the sun on their skin, the sound of waves crashing, the taste of a refreshing tropical drink, and the scent of the ocean breeze. By incorporating these sensory details, the visualization becomes more vivid and real, creating a powerful impression on the unconscious mind. By involving all our senses in the manifestation process, we tap into the power of our whole being. Our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations align with our desired reality, creating a harmonious vibration that attracts the manifestation of our desires. This holistic approach integrates the mind, body, and spirit, allowing us to align our entire being with our intentions. It is important to note that the emphasis on engaging multiple senses does not mean that each sense must be utilized equally in every visualization. Each individual may have a stronger connection to certain senses. Some might be more visual, while others might resonate more with sounds or touch. The key is to identify our dominant sensory preference and focus on that sense to create the most vivid and impactful mental scenes. Thank you for tuning in to today's discussion on manifestation and the power of visualizations. As we've learned from Neville Goddard, incorporating multiple senses into our visualizations is key to truly aligning our entire being with the manifestation process. By engaging our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, we create a more immersive and powerful experience in our minds, increasing the effectiveness of our manifestation practice. Keep nurturing your vision, stay connected to your desires, and trust in the power of your mind to create the life you truly want. With this holistic approach, you are well on your way to manifesting the reality you desire. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more such informative videos on manifestation. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences with our community. Your insights could be incredibly valuable and inspiring to others. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep visualizing and manifesting your dreams